family. Today is 5th of September, 10 o'clock na ng umaga. So, lalabas kami ni Bambina today because meron na naman kaming appointment with the lactation consultant. So, we're still working with our breastfeeding. Ewan ko kung ano, saan papunta ang aming lactation journey. Hindi naglalatch si baby sa nipples ko without nipple shield. Tapos, ang hina din ng ano ko, milk supply ko. So, yun yung wino-workout namin with the lactation consultant. By the way, gamit ko yung skincare ng Estee Lauder ng Advanced Night Repair. Night pero ginagamit ko din siya sa day. Night and day. Tapos, itong Estee Lauder Revitalizing Supreme for the day. Youth Power Cream. Sa gabi, ito yung gamit ko. Yung Revitalizing Supreme plus Night. Yan. Sa umaga, ito. Kailangan natin mag-skincare kasi ilang buwan tayong hindi nakapag-skincare ng buntis tayo. So, hopefully, babalik yung ating glow. Ayan. Tingnan natin kung ano yung isa-suggest nila ngayon sa amin. Ano yung dapat namin gawin. So, to be honest, yung supply ko, tumaas siya. Pero, hindi ganun kataas. Tumaas siya ng... Kung dati, I was pumping 30 ml, 2 ounces. Ngayon, 1 ounce na. Ngayon, 2 ounces na siya. Hindi tayo sa car. Ayun si Bambina. So, nasa car seat siya. Kaming dalawa lang ngayon. Kasi, we're going in our lactation appointment. Ayun. So, I need to be there. Actually, by 11. Pero 10:40 na. Ayan, umuulan pa ngayon. So, sobrang hectic. Nagwo-workout pa kami ngayon sa aking breastfeeding. Kaya kami pupunta sa aming appointment with the lactation consultant. Ayan, tututuro nila kung ano yung next na gagawin ko. Kasi si Bambina, hindi talaga siya nag-milk sa akin. Nagpapump ako. So, kaya siya nakaka-breastfeed. Tapos, hindi siya talaga nagla-latch without a shield. Ayan. So, that's why we are working on that. Kasi ayokong i-give up yung breastfeeding without trying. So, combination feed si baby. Meaning, formula siya and at the same time yung breast milk ko either pump or yun nga nagbe-breastfeed siya sa akin using nipple shield. So yun yung mga stresses ko sa aking new mom journey.
So Uncle Eric put the Gia bit as well, huh?
Yeah.
Makes mommy happy.
First, don't forget the name, Gia. Get Pressy from Elia's uncle, auntie, and cousin with her name on it. That's really nice. Thank you. We also have cards from Mommy's friend. And you have also another present there. Oh, Cardi for winter.
Whoa, lovely. That looks so nice.
Nice. So we've received, not what we've received. We have Aliyah's photo shoot photos now, newborn photos from our photographer. So we actually ordered another photo album to give to Aliyah as a present from mommy and daddy. Isn't it that? Just so you have memories of your newborn, when you're newborn. So, anong oras na? 2 o'clock na ng hapon, 6 of September. So, meron akong homework na ginagawa ngayon. After 2 years, ngayon pa lang namin gagawin yung aming wedding album. So, kasi yung photographer namin dati, hindi kami kumuha sa kanya ng wedding album. So, hindi namin nakita yung physical album na pwede namin i-purchase. So, hindi kami kumuha. So, after 2 years, it has been on my list to do the photo album of our wedding. And then, recently, nagkaroon kasi ng photo shoot si baby, tsaka ako, with a photographer. And she's very good. She's really artistic, perfectionist, professional. Sobrang ganda ng yung experience namin sa kanya. Anyway, I asked her, sabi ko, it's just a cheeky question. I wonder if you can do a wedding photo album for us. Sabi ko. Kasi yung pinakita niya sa amin na product, ang ganda. Parang leather yung outside niya. Tapos, hardbound. And then, yung surface ng texture ng per page niya, sobrang ganda. Na tipong tatagal siya ng years and years. And then, aside from photo album, meron din siyang case na sa harap is malalaminate na photo namin. So, tinanong ko lang, just in case, sabi niya, yeah, that's fine. So, pumayag siya. So, tinignan niya kung magkano. So, binigyan niya kami ng quote. And right there and then, sabi namin ni Andy, yeah, let's do it. And I was so surprised kasi pumayag si Andy. So, ito yung ginagawa ko ngayon. So, sobrang dami naming photos nung wedding. Pakita ko sa inyo. Parang kalahati pa lang to. Ang dami. Nasa 1,000 na photos yung tinitignan ko. So, tignan natin. Actually, inaantok ako. Si baby nasa baba. Kasama niya Andy. Sabi ko, I need time to do this. So, he's giving me time to do this. Kasi this weekend, ipapasa na namin sa kanya yung itong dapat niyang makuhang information and photos from us. Yan. So, anyway,